2018 Toyota Rav4 with the 2.5 inline 4-cylinder. Today we're going to be replacing the camshaft positioning sensor on the engine side B, which is the exhaust side of this engine. Let's get to it. All right, under the hood, go ahead and remove our little plastic engine cover thingy. And we can see both of our camshaft positioning sensors right here. This is your intake side, which should be alpha, which I guess would be code 0014, but I might, don't quote me on that, I might be wrong, but if this is 15, alpha should be 14. So that's what I'm thinking. So this is side A, this is side B with the exhaust. Without further ado, let's go ahead and remove this connector. It was on there pretty tight for some reason, but it's just one of those squeeze connectors. You just squeeze this and pull it off. 10 millimeter. I've already got a gear wrench out, so I'm just going to use that. Give this just a little bit of rotation, get that O-ring worked up a little bit, and there you go. Our new part number, CarQuest Charlie Sierra Charlie 1123. Alright, and the reason we're replacing this sensor is this vehicle has the P0015 code, like I was talking about earlier. And that is basically a code that you can get saying that there is basically not reading this sensor or your VVT sensor. That code can mean a lot of stuff. Everything from dirty engine oil to not enough engine oil to the wrong weight engine oil. But I already checked all those. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this sensor, because we had issues with this previously. So anyway, not saying that this is the cure for that problem, but this is just what we're doing right now. Go ahead and finish installing this. If this bolt could figure out if it is tight or if it wants to be loose. I don't particularly mind. Just choose one so I can figure out how to fix you. Reconnect our connector, put our engine cover back on. And there you have it. You just replaced your own camshaft positioning sensor. I knew you could do it. I didn't doubt it for a second. If you'd like to see more videos on this Toyota Rav4, or possibly other ones just like it, go ahead and check out that video next. I made that video just for you guys. And if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you all next time.